actually at the doctor this morning just for a well baby checkup for Layla, who is zonked out. Such a bummer that she fell asleep right now instead of after, but she was so tired. And I have a little buddy with me today. He doesn't have an appointment, but he's just hanging out with us because Casey is at meetings today. Winston, were you scared of the fish? Show me what fish scared you. He was so excited to see the fish, and then he said that they were scaring him. That big one?
Nemo.
Who's that though?
Nemo.
Nemo. They're not scary.
Nemo. That man over there.
The big one?
Yeah. I want that big one.
It's funny, that big one's scaring him. He has a big eye, huh?
Yeah. Eat the fishes.
No, he doesn't. Like, they all like each other. Maybe he's the nicest one. Maybe he keeps them safe.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's keeping all the little fishies safe in there.
But that was called cars.
Yeah.
That was called fire.
Fire. You were a big girl.
I don't want the movie. I eat slushies.
You want to watch a movie and eat our slushies?
Yeah.
You're so funny. You were a good boy, so we can do that.
Hi.
You ready? Oh, hugs. Oh, hugs. All right, we just finished up. Layla did great. She looks great and everything looks good. She weighs 16 pounds and she is 28 inches long.
Was the band-aids?
Oh yeah, she has band-aids, huh?
Yeah.
She's okay.
Let's do band-aids.
Okay, we're gonna go. You ready?
Mexico. We finally made it, and the word is that Casey has already flown, landed, and we're going to meet him down here at the airport where we are meeting. We're meeting with Adam Weatherby. So he's the CEO of Weatherby Inc. Very, very long and rich history in the firearms world. I think it was his great-grandfather started the company many, 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 many years ago. So couldn't be more excited to go chase some I thought you guys were going to kiss there for a second. Upper right, the horn on them. Stress relief. Dude, he's so narrow. He's like, what?
What's going on, Gage?
Well, the movie just ended.
And the lights are still off.
Yeah.
There they are.
There we go, we got lights. Sorry for the technical delay. Lincoln and his family are here in attendance tonight. Lincoln, you wanna come up here real quick? So Lincoln was a big inspiration as to why we chose Primary Children's Hospital, and he's doing awesome right now. So.
It means the world to us to see this overwhelming response to this movie every year, and the only reason we can do it is because of you guys and our sponsors. But I gotta say to my wife, I love you. She let me start chasing this trip. Sorry, I get a little emotional. 5 years ago, and then I was able to bring my two best friends on, and every year this is a rough week for us because I'm gone doing this, but she's my rock. She's the one that's allowed me to do this. I know Brian feels the same about his wife, and Eric, his girlfriend Bridget. So
here we go, guys. The new 2018 Hoyt Hyperforce is going to go to. All right, and if you guys have never been to a Hush premiere, you know how I do this. So we're going to stretch our legs a little bit.
Just finished up. You did such a good job.
Hey, thanks for coming, guys.
Markel and Jess watched the Layla so that I could watch the movie. Thank you.
You're welcome. She was good. Until I blew it.
She was being good, and then what happened?
I turned on the mom's view.
It's so funny.
She was like, got the lip.
Yeah.
You.
She's starting to point now.
She's pointing to you. It was your
It was my fault.
You did it. That's so funny. Okay, you guys hungry? It was so good, huh?
Yes. You gotta try to come down Saturday.
I will think about it. Depends on this one. So, Kate, this is just the start of Casey's long weekend. They have a booth, and they'll be down here working. And Casey's super, super busy, and so just trying to decide. Layla's had a cold. She's teething. She's getting like 4 more teeth right now. So, just trying to decide. Fancy seeing you guys here at the Cheesecake Factory. We're at it again.
It's our place.
I know, I love it. I kind of love that this is our place.
So good.
I love this salad. It's the Sheila chicken and avocado salad. That's what I've been getting lately. Jess is a fettuccine alfredo girl. And Markel loves the salmon. Gager got an adult size burger. No more kids menu for this one. He said, no more. And Layla's having some avocados and some bread. She's just sharing this with me. She likes the avocados. And then she has some juicy. She can drink out of a straw, but not a bottle. So, whatever. Are you so funny? What's that? Is that good? Is that hilarious? She cannot figure out how to drink from a bottle, but she can drink from a straw. You guys, congratulations on your 100th video.
Thank you.
That's exciting. Is that so crazy to think? Was it like, what, 100? And then I was laughing when you were like, at least last time I counted. Thank you for helping with Layla.
She was the best.
She loves you guys. And hopefully we'll see you again this weekend, huh? I'm so happy we got to see you guys so much. If you guys want to see more of them, check out their channel. This vlog is just like craziness. Today though is National Pizza Day. So I ordered us pizza for dinner. Braylee is at a birthday party. Casey is in Salt Lake. We didn't stay in Salt Lake. Casey is still in Salt Lake because he had his big premiere that we went to, which went amazing. They raised a lot of money for Primary Children's, which is a children's hospital in Salt Lake City. And I'm just so proud of them because they worked so hard on this and they're just so happy to get back. And I'm just really, really proud of them. I'm really proud of Casey and I'm just, it went really well. And I'm happy that he's down there. But the kids couldn't miss school. So we came home the same night and the kids went to school and then we're gonna go back to Salt Lake tomorrow. And yeah, Braylee's at a birthday party. So it's me and these 3. This one is just a turkey. I'll show you what he did. So he didn't go to the premiere because he runs around everywhere. I've taken him every year and every year I've just chased him in the halls. I haven't ever got to watch Casey's movie. So this year I was like, I know he'll run around again. As much as I want to take him, I just know he'll run around. So we had a babysitter come here. Braylee had mandatory cheer, so she didn't go. And anyways, I don't know what I'm telling you. That's what happened. It all is like blurring together. The next morning, Layla was sick. I had a headache. I had a migraine for 2 days. So I was just laying in bed. Winston was being really good, just watching TV. I thought, no. Lipstick on my brand new chair. So I need to take this to the dry cleaner and have them hopefully get the stain out. Really, really hoping. I was like so relieved that this came unzipped and that I could take it off, and I thought I'll just hurry and put it in the washer. And then I read that it's dry clean only and I don't want to like take any chances. Plus I was like, what if I like wash this and this just spread everywhere instead? So I love this furniture so much and I almost cried when I saw that. He did get some like over here too, and I was able to get it out, and some right here and more right here, but I couldn't get that out, so I'm just gonna continue to work on it, and maybe they'll know of something to do with the dry cleaner. But yeah, so anyways, I've had a lot of questions about my furniture, and I do plan on doing a vlog all about where I got it, why I chose it, what pieces I chose, in case you guys are curious, and I'll answer any questions. So if you have any questions, let me know. I just love it. It's so soft. I'm so happy we went with leather. I had so many mixed reviews about leather, but I'm super happy with it. Okay, I need to feed these kiddos. We'll check back in later, but I'm gonna end the vlog. Also, You know that you're stressed when your face is just breaking out. Ah. Mom life. I love it, and I'm so tired. My favorite pizza is the like chicken bacon barbecue. I can't remember what it's called exactly, but that's my favorite pizza.
My favorite pizza is this one.
That one? That's Gator's favorite pizza. What's your favorite pizza, buddy?
Sausage.
And?
Sausage and pepperoni.
Do you like sausage and pepperoni, or do we just get pepperoni because everyone else likes it and then you add sausage? Or would you rather just have sausage?
I like
Both?
this.
You like that one? You like pepperoni, huh? Layla's just having some pasta and a breadstick. She is like has no interest in baby food. If she can't feed herself, she's like, no way. She has to pick it up herself. So she reminds me of another little girl that I once had. She's so much like Braylee. It actually terrifies me and makes me excited. Braylee's whole life right there. She terrifies me and makes me excited. You know, you want to raise strong girls, but you just want to like know that you can like guide them in the right way. And Braylee's a very, very good girl, but it's always been like, oh, please be good. And she is good, so I'm grateful, but she's always been very independent, and Layla is just like her. Okay, so we were talking about National Pizza Day, and Gage said, oh, I actually had some information about that, so let's hear what you want to tell us, Gager.
So, most of the US likes pepperoni, 37% US, that doesn't surprise me. Mushrooms, only 14%. Sausage, might hit you it, 12%. You're one of 12%, buddy. Yeah. Bacon, 10%. Green peppers, 7%. Chicken, 7%. Olive, 7%. Plain cheese, 5%. Onions, 3%. Other, 9%.
Cool. That was on his something from school?
Last news.
Very cool.
Like a bunch of news.
How is school going?
Good.
Good. Gage is trying to decide if he wants to play baseball this summer. It's just a big commitment, so he has to think about it. Because we do a lot of camping, they do a lot of like fishing and stuff, so he has to decide. Winston, do you want to play baseball? I've been wanting to get Winston in karate. I think that that would be very good for him because he has so much energy, and I know that like little boys, or at least my boys, have liked kind of like fighting and wrestling, and Gage never had a problem, like he didn't wrestle other people, and Winston, not that I've had a problem with Winston, I just want him to know for sure that there's a place for that, and it's not just anywhere. Not everyone wants to fight. He's pretty good though, really, but he's a little wild. And Layla's gonna hang out with me. Hey, what you eating? Are you feeling better? She does seem to be feeling better today, so I'm so happy. Her cold seems to be going away, and she did pop her, so she has her 2 front teeth, and then the 2 on the sides popped through. I'll have to try to show you later. And then on the bottom, she has 1 on the side popping through. So I would be angry too. It's a lot. That hurts. On top of a cold.
Hey guys.
Yes. You're karate chopping your breadstick?
Not breaking.
It's not breaking. Okay, eat it.
What is this?
All of it. All of it. You have to eat it all. Look at her hair. It's getting so long.
I think the doctor got my door. A shout at my door.
What?
I think the doctor.
You took a cupcake to your school?
A shout at my door.
Winston loves to eat at his school.
Without my door and just at my door.
A breadstick?
Yeah.
Do you love school? School's fun, huh?
Yeah.
You see those teeth? Look at those teeth and that gross nose. That's what's been happening. It's the only way I can ever see them. She loves doing this. Moo! Who's that? Watch her. Look. She doesn't want to be up. You crazy baby. A big one. Oh. You're so funny. 4 teeth on the top. 2, almost 3 on the bottom. Hey, you have so many teeth? You don't want to talk about teeth, you want to play? She's also pointing at everything now. What's that? Okay, sorry, we'll play. What's that? Go get Gager. Go get Gager. It's like, nope, he's upside down. I'm gonna steal his toys.
How was the birthday party?
It was fun.
Good. I just realized that I haven't seen you in the vlog this whole week. I've seen you in real life, but I've not seen you because you've been busy. It was fun?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay, well, you guys still be in the next vlog more. Are you eating the bubbles? Layla, you're so cute. Bye, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.